Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Checking out this beautiful 88 Peterbilt, the Catman. I only know him as a Catman. I don't even think I know your real name.
It's Jimmy Cattoggio, but the Catman is, everybody knows me as
really?
Catman. Yeah.
Jimmy, how long have you been truck driving?
Oh, almost 50 years now.
So you're starting to get the hang of it?
Yeah. Every day you learn something new, and if you don't learn anything new in this business, you know, you're not a truck driver.
That's the best advice anybody could ever ask for right there.
Every day we have to learn something new. All the rules change daily.
How many trucks have you owned?
Maybe about 10.
Really?
Yeah. My first one was an old auto car.
Yeah.
That I put together. I miss it. I miss all the old ones. I still got a 59 Mac tucked away.
Wow.
Yeah.
What model? Like an LT?
A B73.
Wow.
LTL. And it's in my yard at home.
Yeah.
This is my favorite. I did a lot with this one.
You still run it?
I'm actually not right now. I've been running it. I ran it for back and forth to Columbus, Ohio.
Okay.
20 years.
Wow. What were you hauling to Columbus?
Air freight.
Air freight, okay,
yeah.
yep.
I worked for Forward Air, had a nice run. And I did it for 20 years. I did it with 2 different trucks. But this one I did a lot of miles on this one. This is pretty special because it's all original.
Oh wow. What do we get for a transmission here?
A 6 and 4. It's all factory.
Really?
Everything is all original.
I like your stained glass.
Yeah, that was a gift from a friend of mine. They owned a stained glass business and they did it for me.
That's really nice.
Yeah, because the cats, they done it. And music, I like Jethro Tull, so we took this off of his album.
Okay.
And everything has just been trucking.
You enjoyed it all these years?
Oh, I still enjoy it. I've done a few things with the truck for the Shriners. Took the clowns around and had a good time with that because they do a good thing for everybody.
Yep. Very nice.
Met a lot of good people. Met a lot of good people at the show today.
Oh really?
Oh, we had a real good time.
Well, everybody here loves trucks. That's why we're all together.
Yep, and you know, without it, the country stops.
That's right. No trucks, no goods.
No goods.
That's right. And no good without trucks. You can put that on a shirt.
It's just so hard what they're doing to the, you know, with the fuel and everything.
Sure.
Making it hard for everybody. And today, if you go through their show, there's a lot of people put heart and soul in there.
Yep. Yeah, you're right.
It's a hard business, never was easy. And wish there was a little more respect for the guys out here.
Yeah.
But
absolutely.
They hang in there.
Yep. And you're a one-man show, right? You're doing the best you can. And,
that's it. All of us. I mean, if you talk to every individual, we all got the same.
Absolutely.
But it's funny. I come out and I wipe it off. And the other night, the guy pulled up with the golf cart. And he says, "Do you know it's raining here and not down there?" I said, "Oh, don't tell
Figures.
me that."
And black. I mean, that's
wow.
My hat's off to you. Are you using any kind of special cleaning products?
If I told you what I use for cleaning products, you wouldn't believe me. And I'll tell you off camera. I'll tell you off camera because it's going to be my trick.
Okay.
And
little homebrew?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
You can't wait.
It just made me laugh because this truck sat in my yard for maybe 8 months under a pine tree.
Okay.
So it was all sap.
Wow.
And I had to figure out how to get the sap off. And I'm not lying to you, I didn't wash this truck.
Okay.
So it looks like that. And I didn't wash it. And when I show you what I use, you're gonna
really?
It's gonna make you laugh. It's gonna bring a smile to your face. But I don't want to get my secret.
I'm very interested. My guess is WD-40. That's my guess.
No, I actually was.
Oh, he's gonna tell us. Oh yeah, I use that on for grease.
Yeah, but someone told me it would take the polish off.
Yeah, I don't use it on paint.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, no.
I was going to, not a lie, and then I went to the store and I cracked up laughing. And when I show you, you can give out the thing because.
I'm looking at your truck. I see you got real working louvers, which I respect because I hate the fake ones.
Yeah, we've done that at school. I went to Shawshank Tech to learn how to do this. We made the grill, we made everything. In school, I went to fabrication at nighttime to make all this.
So what is the inspiration for this grill?
Different.
Just something different.
Different. Everybody's got a store-bought grill. And I didn't want it, and I liked the older truck with the radiator out in front, and I just had to make one because it was to be different. And I figured not too many people would have one, and I had to make one.
That's beautiful. I love these chrome louvers.
They actually work.
Are these old sleeper vents? Those chrome sleeper vents? They almost look like them.
Secrets? Yeah, they are. They are. No, they are. At one time, Peterbilt was offering, they cut them in for you, but they had a kit that they did 5. I did 6. I had it because it's a 6.
This is custom looking signal light.
Oh yeah, everybody's.
What's this? Is that a door for your oil tank? No kidding.
Yeah. Well, that come off an old truck.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice yellow motor, look. And it's nice and clean. From here, it's clean.
I've done a few things under the hood.
Okay.
I've done a few things. It's not as nice as the Witches Inn over there, but I've done
That's a nice truck.
A lot of the trick. Matter of fact, let me see if we can open this and get a kick out of it.
I would love to see that.
We're going to open this one.
I lift from the side too, by the way. I'm an old side lifter.
I do it so I can hold it so I don't flop.
You're being a little modest about your engine. You've done a few things. That is beautiful. Wow.
We did some fan work. We got electric fans.
That's a work of beauty, and it's so clean. That's amazing. Wow, look at this.
Oh, nice.
Pretty awesome, huh? How you doing? Well, thanks for talking to me, Jimmy. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
See you out there. Good luck.
I'm here. Thank you.
All right.